There are numerous online platforms and courses that offer high-quality Python learning resources. Here are some of the best ones based on their content, reputation, and user reviews. 1. Coursera offers Python courses from top universities like University of Michigan, Rice University, and others. Python for Everybody by Dr. Charles Severance is a highly recommended course. 2. EDX provides Python courses from institutions like MIT and Harvard. Introduction to Python, Absolute Beginner, is a popular course on the platform. 3. Udemy hosts a wide range of Python courses for various skill levels. Complete Python Bootcamp, Go From Zero to Hero in Python 3 by Jose Portilla, is one of the most popular courses on Udemy. 4. Codecademy offers interactive Python courses suitable for beginners. The hands-on approach makes learning Python more engaging. 5. Solo Learn provides free Python courses through its app. It's great for beginners to start learning Python fundamentals. Before choosing a course or platform, consider your learning style, whether you prefer video tutorials, interactive coding exercises, or text-based learning. Also, check reviews and course syllabi to ensure they align with your learning goals.